shop in Connecticut to get diagnosed to see what the fuck is wrong with this car. Of course, it's fucking pouring and thundering and shit, so it's like a perfect day for this to be happening. But yeah, I'll update you guys on the way. Hopefully, they can give me an answer as soon as possible, and hopefully it's not as bad as I think it is. But we'll go with whatever they say. But goddamn, this car sounds so good. Oh my god. Why do you have to die? Why do you have to die? Sounds so good. Rip car. Well, fuck. So the shop's actually really cool, really good. I'll link them in the description. If you're from Connecticut, you should definitely come to them. But, so, they replaced the shop that I initially went to for the valve adjustment. They replaced my spark plug number 3 because they broke it. And this shop is saying, and with evidence of the spark plug that it's broken, and it doesn't have the other piece that was broken off. They didn't clean up the broken spark plug. Thus, it got crushed by the piston, and then just scoring piston number 3. Because piston 1, 2, and 4 are perfect. They have perfect leakage, or they have perfect compression, perfect everything. Piston number 3 has 55% leakage. Like, that's not a coincidence. That is literally factual evidence that the shop fucked up and didn't clean up my fucking spark plug after they fucking broke it. So, I'm gonna go to them and be like, what the fuck, guys, and try and get this car paid off or something, because that's fucked. That's really fucked. How lazy do you have to be? Just fucking take a vacuum and clean that shit up. Everything else is fine of this car except the fucking piston number 3. That's where the spark plug was broken, and they didn't clean it up, and now that piston's fucked. This is really good evidence. I mean, this is an engine rebuild, and I'm not sure if I want to do that. I'm not sure if I want to put that much money into this car right now, but I'm going to see what I can do with that shop and then go from there. But, god damn it, like, fuck that. They did, like, Jesus, they fucked my car. It was perfect, everything was running fine, and then they decided not to fucking take out the fucking spark plug piece. Jesus Christ. I'm just fucking pissed by them. Like, this is unreal. But this shop is really cool. They gave me a lot of information. So I'll link them in the description just because they've been a huge help in just trying to really figure this out and really helping us solve the mystery of why it's leaking and finding us solid evidence on how to attack this shop. Yep. Fuck me. Fuck that shop. But yeah, I'll see where this is going. I'll keep you guys updated as always. Thanks for watching. Peace out. Got loyalty inside my DNA. Broken quarter piece.